GoPro. Keep going. Alright. Got to change a few things around here tonight. Something I thought about the other day. I just filled that jar of sugar syrup on Saturday. I can't believe how much is gone already. They're eating really good right now. Put my gloves on. I don't want to get stung today. It's a little bit later than I normally like to go in, but it's going to be really hot the next few days, so I figured I better get in there and see how things are going. Really surprised how much they drank of that sugar syrup. Wow. Damn thing. Beehive tool. I'm really curious to see how things are looking in here. It's a good sign seeing some on top. I'm hoping that there's gonna be honey in here. Seems to be pretty calm now. Just hit him with a little bit of smoke here. I use hickory pellets. Prickle-wise, so that's good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's pure honey right there for me. They're starting to fill it out. There's not a lot, but there's a little bit. It's a good start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, awesome. That one's almost completely full of honey for me to harvest. So looks like I will be getting honey this fall. Usually they go from the inside out. Starting to get a little on this one. It's a good deal. Let's see which one was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth frame, right in the center. Awesome. Let me get some sunlight in here. Check this out, Todd. That's all honey right there. So they're gonna, we will have some to harvest anyhow come fall. Yeah. That one, this is the 5th frame. So usually they'll start in the center, and there's the other side right there.
Oh yeah, that's really
you see, this one's pretty full. I mean, it'll be full here pretty soon. Look at that! Look at that sugar syrup jar. I just put that on Saturday.
I know this one. I noticed this the other day when I came out and looked to make sure they had water.
And here's the next frame next to that. They're starting to put some on here, a little bit on that side.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Definitely the center one.
Yep.
Great. We were worried about it.
Oh, I know. I was like, oh man, they're starting to build comb on there. So they're starting to. There's a little bit of comb on these end ones right here, but
give them time.
Oh yeah, like I said, you know, they don't. I mean, they're not. Like I said, you're not expected to get honey the first season, but hey man, I know. As long as you keep feeding them, as long as they have plenty of food and plenty of water, that's what they need, you know. Get in here. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one I want to put. Oh man, it's propolized on here good. I know. It's, you know what? Maybe it's because, I mean, that was a weaker high. I mean, I always thought that was a weaker high, that they were going to need more, you know. But I'm going to leave that. This here?
No.
Oh, that's just a stick.
Oh, okay.
That got stuck to the bottom of the box when I was putting it in.
Oh, it's funny how they've made hive up into that wire.
Yep, some wax in there. Well, I might as well just leave that on there.
Fill the whole damn thing with it.
I want to see how this one's doing.
Show them if you let them.
I want to hit it with a little bit of smoke here. No, they're pretty calm, really.
The other night you come out here, boy, they were agitated as all get out.
What was it, last night?